Welcome back to HK Auto Garage. Today we're taking a look at something seriously cool and undeniably classic with a modern twist. The 2025 Ford Factory 5 Hot Rod Pickup. This isn't your typical truck. It's a fusion of vintage hot rod styling and cutting-edge engineering, straight from Factory 5's custom-build philosophy, but with Ford's muscle and presence. Whether you're into show-stopping looks, street performance, or just want something different from the norm, this hot rod pickup is a real head-turner. Let's break it all down. The exterior, interior, performance, and price. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Factory 5. Hot rod pickup is a modern interpretation of the 1930s style pickup truck, but it's been beefed up and refined in all the right ways. The design is low-slung, wide, and aggressive, keeping that classic chopped roofline and curvy fenders. The front end features a custom grille with vertical slats, bold LED headlamps tucked into old-school housings, and a minimalist bumper design that gives it a race-ready stance. The hood is long and flat with exposed hardware for a raw mechanical vibe, and the body panels are made from lightweight composite materials, keeping the overall weight down without sacrificing that solid, muscular look. Moving along the side, you'll notice wide rear fenders that house fat tires, giving this pickup its unmistakable drag strip-ready posture. The doors are flush-mounted, and the running boards have a slick matte finish that adds to the modern custom aesthetic. Around back, the bed is short and functional, complete with a diamond plate liner and smooth tailgate. The LED taillights are neatly integrated into the fenders, and the dual exhaust tips exit just before the rear wheels for a race car-inspired setup. Now inside, the hot rod pickup keeps it minimal but stylish. The cabin is clearly focused on the driving experience. You get 2 bucket seats, deep bolstered, race style, and wrapped in leather or Alcantara, depending on the trim you go for. The dashboard is a mix of old-school gauges and digital readouts, with Factory 5's signature layout that puts all controls within easy reach. There's a simple center console with push-button start, toggle switches, and even a digital performance readout system for tracking temps, pressures, and lap times. Don't expect luxury. It's raw, refined, and built with performance in mind. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 2025 Factory 5 Hot Rod Pickup is available with multiple engine options, but the top spec build features a Ford Coyote 5.0-liter V8 producing around 460 horsepower. It's mated to either a Tremec 5-speed manual or an automatic transmission, giving drivers the choice between classic, stick-shift fun or smooth cruising. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and rear-wheel drive layout, this truck can go from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, and the handling is tight thanks to independent suspension and performance brakes all around. Despite its vintage appearance, this hot rod rides like a modern performance vehicle. The chassis is rigid, the steering is direct, and it holds the road with confidence. It's just as happy burning rubber at a car meet as it is cruising on the open highway. It's not your typical pickup. It's a performance machine in disguise. As for price, the Factory 5 Hot Rod Pickup starts around $30,000 as a kit, but a fully built version like this one, especially with Ford's official backing and powertrain options, will set you back anywhere from $60,000 to $90,000 depending on custom work and finish. For a hand-built, street-legal hot rod with real Ford muscle, that's not a bad deal at all. That's it for the 2025 Ford Factory 5 Hot Rod Pickup. It's raw, bold, and built for fun. Let me know in the comments, would you drive this beast, or is it too wild for the streets? Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one right here on HK Auto Garage.